The work that we do at HQ would make no sense if at the country level it's not translated into practical interventions. That's why we come back to you at the country level, at the district level. Those of you who have direct contacts with communities, you matter. You are the ones who translate most of the work that we do at the HQ and regional level into practical interventions that addresses the needs of children who are not able to receive vaccines. Without you, we will not do it. And we are very appreciative that you're taking time from your regular duties to even get more focus into what is it that we can do to address immunization coverage. We know that it has stagnated. There are a critical mass of children out there who are not reached. Globally, we're thinking about 20 million kids who are not reached. In countries, it could be different. If you look at the country level, at the national level, you have a figure, but we need to go down into the districts. And it's you who are sitting in the districts who have the opportunity to identify these children, who have the opportunity to develop context-specific strategies to reach these children with services, because you are the ones who know where they are. You know where their needs are, you know what they want, and you know how to deliver this. You have done this, and I'm sure you will do this.